The winter weather advisory for Howard and Tipton counties will be allowed to expire by midnight tonight, and that's because the system has moved out, but it did leave some snow this afternoon. 2 inches fell in Monticello, 1 3/10 of an inch here in West Lafayette, about 1.5 inches north of Frankfort, and the highest amount was recorded in Miami County, 3.1 inches of snow just in Mexico. And that system does continue to track south and east. Most of the snow is to the eastern part of the state, and now we're just left with cloud cover, which will decrease during the overnight hours, but we'll still be left with mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning to start off the day. But it'll be a cold morning, and also we have the threat for slick roads, and then wind speeds will be 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts up to 20, which means blowing snow is a possibility. A cold start to the work week. Wind chills will drop into the single digits by tomorrow morning. But this afternoon, temperatures were able to reach into the mid-30s, a high of 35 degrees, which is seasonable for this time of the year since our average high is 34. 25 now in Lafayette. Overcast skies, winds from the north-northeast at 9 miles per hour with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. 27 in Rossville, 21 Kokomo, and currently 25 degrees in Rensselaer. And temperatures will fall during the overnight hours, 21 by 2 o'clock in the morning, 20 by 3, and eventually into the teens, 18 by 5 a.m., and then eventually an overnight low of 16 in Lafayette, 15 Delphi, overnight low of 14 in Winnemac, and 17 degrees in Williamsport, with that wind chill just around 5 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning. Mostly cloudy skies, staying mostly cloudy throughout the day, 23 degrees. We should see a few peaks of sunshine throughout the day, but we do have another chance for flurries by the afternoon and evening. High of 29 degrees for Lafayette tomorrow afternoon, with highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s down to our southern locations. 30 in Frankfort, 28 Logansport, and again a high of 29 degrees tomorrow afternoon in Lafayette. So we'll start up our high-res futurecast again for tomorrow. Staying quiet for the first half of the day. More clouds move in as another system pushes through the viewing area. We have a chance for lake effect flurries, especially for our northern counties, and the chance for flurries stays in the forecast throughout Monday night, also into the day on Tuesday, but those flurries will move out by Tuesday evening just around 7 o'clock. But temperatures will also be gradually warming up. We will have a cold start to the week, 29, but eventually 32 by Tuesday, 35 Wednesday, and we exceed our average by the middle part of this week. Thursday, we'll have a high of 40 degrees. But tonight, it'll be cold, 16. The snow will finally end, and then we have wind chills in the single digits and a high of 29 degrees tomorrow afternoon. The light flurries are still possible, mainly for the late afternoon and evening hours. Winds from the northwest between 5 to 10 miles per hour, and we'll be left with mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. Wednesday, there is another chance for snow showers, but that'll be much later in the day. High of 35 degrees Wednesday. Thursday, a chance for a wintry mix during the early morning hours. But as temperatures warm up just around 40 degrees, it'll turn into rain showers by the afternoon.
All right.